Labels. They are supposed to provide information, but humans have used them in a way that actually creates false information, separation, and limitations. Everyone is affected by labels. People label things like animals, nature, situations, and especially people. What all labels have in common is separation, and separation leads to limitations. For example, in the 1950s, many labels like phony, mad, nerd, and being the oddball caused separation and created limitations. Labeling is a problem as people label others because they don't understand something about them, and people tend to not like it when they don't understand something, so they will then create a label for them to make them feel more secure and understanding about them. However, the label will provide a false understanding because they don't represent the true understanding and reasoning behind the whole situation. Labels just show the surface area of people or situations, not the volume, what's actually going on inside. It is important to raise awareness about the effects of labeling because if we don't, society will keep labeling everyone without even realizing it, and that will then create in the future a more judgmental world. A possible solution is, whenever you find yourself labeling someone, stop as soon as possible and recognize the assumption you are making about that person or situation. Then, that will help you realize that you truly don't know that person's whole life story and that you just created an unnecessary separation between you and them just from a false understanding. This solution will help you stop seeing others as separate and see more unity and opportunities. Sadly, labeling is a part of human nature, but in every sunset there is a sunrise, and we have the power to stop labeling. Anything we learn, we can unlearn. So let's change our way of thinking and create society to unite together and destroy these limitations.